Hello, I'm Hugh, one of the team from New Zealand that's travelled up to do the LEJOG ride with Cycle Britain. We're now day 16 of a 1700 kilometre ride, and we've just stopped at Larnac to enjoy one of Cycle Britain's very nice lunches for purpose. So far we've been averaging kind of around 75 kilometres a day, some days up to 110 kilometres, so correct food and energy has been very important. We have to say Cycle Britain have done themselves proud with the provisions that they've made available to us on this trip. So at this stage we've completed about 1,100 kilometres, we've got about another 600 to go, and it's only getting better day by day.